Amidst the wreckage, UAV operators spotted a Russian motorcycle carrying 2 soldiers. One drone was able to end their journey. Another racer, this time on 4 wheels. He was heading for Ukrainian positions with the aim of securing them. Since the Russians' current goal is to occupy new territories in small groups, and there are many such groups. The 2 fell when they heard the sound of the FPV drone nearby. Perhaps thanks to this, or perhaps thanks to their luck, they managed to survive. Surprised and panicked, they looked at the burning motorcycle and went to seek shelter. 2 of them hid in the landing zone, but this road is popular among Russian soldiers and is therefore constantly monitored by Ukrainian pilots. The road ahead is littered with soldiers like this one, sent on such senseless assaults. They lie on all sides, but no one can help them now. Another motorcyclist, but this time he decided to stop in the middle of an open field, and that was his fatal mistake. The pilots first scared the occupier with drones, after which he ran towards the Ukrainian positions, catch a bullet, and that was pretty much it. Ukrainian soldiers continue to work, and that's it, the end. In this case, there were 3 Russian soldiers. Despite the drone descending, they did not pay attention to it, thinking it was one of their own. Then the mortar fired. Direct hit, one 200, the other 300. He ran for cover, and the third also went to hide. The next drone hits another one which detonates its ammunition. Here, a Russian soldier covered himself with a cloak and seemed to be staying still in order to stay alive a little longer. But under the cloak, he began to do something else which was noticed by the UAV operators. And a drone arrives, and then another transforming this Russian into the good guy. In this case, the Russian soldier decided that a flashlight would come in handy. He was already visible, but he also illuminated himself. A good boy, he withstood 3 blows. One flashlight remained lit. Some Russians are heading for the assault, others are turning back. But the former are unlucky as they are being pursued by a drone, minus a car and 1 soldier, a few more on the Neva. After the attack, they also got into an accident and fled together looking for shelter. There are a few more ghost racers here riding in search of adventure, but only catching FPV drones that find them every day, every night, every hour, and every minute. These 2 managed to crawl away somewhere. In these shots, Russian transport carrying ammunition to enemy positions upon seeing the drone immediately stopped in the landing. But it was not possible to save the car. Only the soldiers themselves got out and ran somewhere, not knowing where. And they understood what awaited them when they heard the sound of the FPV drone. So they immediately ran in different directions. And after the explosion, those who managed to escape a little further away began to rescue those who had not managed to escape. The white car is very visible against the grey road, but the Russians apparently haven't realized this yet. In this case, a Russian soldier threw his rifle directly at the drone and surprisingly hit it, but that didn't help him much. Very exciting footage from the phones of Ukrainian FPV drone pilots. In the video, we see the headquarters from where this deadly weapon is launched and controlled. Neither pipes nor basement help the Russian military because on this land they are uninvited guests whom everyone hates. In the Lyman direction, a Russian mechanized column is advancing to storm the positions of the Ukrainian Third Corps. Enemy armored personnel carrier is hit by artillery. The next vehicle hits a mine and the occupiers flee in different directions. Ukrainian pilots are sending FPV drones to prevent armored vehicles from being repaired. With just 5 drones, the vehicles are no longer able to move. Another armored personnel carrier. This time it is destroyed using FPV drones, just a few $500 drones and minus Russian armored vehicles. Here, 2 drones simultaneously fly into an enemy tank and a third one acts as a control drone. Those who fled were caught by the FPV drones. They only pretended to be asleep, but in reality, they were just hiding out of fear, hoping that they would not be noticed. These two somehow managed to find a dugout, but no miracle happened there. Just 2 drones and everything burning. The next group managed to hold out until nightfall, but drones from other units returned and cleared the entire area. During the defensive battle, Ukrainian soldiers destroyed 2 enemy armored personnel carriers, 1 tank, and 15 occupiers.